We'll guide you through how to make snow effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the browser on your device. Once the browser is open, tap the search bar and search for Snow Overlay Free. Press Enter to view the search results. From the available options, select a snow overlay source such as 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗. After opening the website, scroll through the available snow overlay videos and choose one that best matches the style you want for your edit. Take your time looking through the different options. Once you find an overlay that you like, open it and press the download button. Wait for the file to finish downloading to your device before continuing to the next step. Next, open Alight Motion on your device. When the application loads, press Create New Project to start a new editing project. Choose the project settings that fit your footage. After setting everything up, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, tap the plus button near the bottom of the screen and import the footage that you want to add the snow effect to. Browse your media files, select your footage. Once the footage has been successfully imported, tap the plus button again. This time, locate and import the snow overlay that you downloaded earlier. After adding the snow overlay to the timeline, open the blending and opacity settings. Inside the blending options, change the blending mode to screen. To enhance the winter atmosphere, select your main footage layer and open the effect browser. Navigate to the color and light category and choose color temperature. After adding the effect, open its preset options and select the winter preset. Preview your project and make any adjustments if needed. Once everything looks good, play the project to see the final result. You have now successfully created a snow effect in Alight Motion.